On the auspicious occasion of Dashera, me and my family wish you a very happy Dashera and may all your desires and dreams come true. आपको मेरे और मेरे परिवार जनों की तरफ से दशहरा की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आपका आने वाला साल में आपकी जितनी भी ख्वाहिश है, उम्मीद है, वो संपूर्ण हो, ऐसी हमारी शुभकामना आपके लिए। दोस्तों, मैं ये नहीं आपको इस वीडियो में बोलूँगा कि दशहरा क्या है एंड व्हाई इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड, बिकॉज वेप यूनिवर्सिटी is highly literate and it has several things that even I do not know of. So I will leave you in the company of WEP University, but I will just share with you why Dashera has been a milestone sort of occasion for me. To start with, it was on the day of Dashera that I got the opportunity to drive the best Indian car that I have ever driven, and that was 118NE Premier 118 Nissan engine. That was a super car, and I drove that car when my father gave me the keys to that car, which was actually given to him by his company Air India. And this is way back. I'm talking about early 90s, and I was going to the airport to catch a flight on the then Indian Airlines, and he said, okay, it's early in the morning, so why don't you take a drive to the airport? So he sat next to me, obviously, because the car had to come back. So I went and I drove the car, and at that time we were staying far off, from the airport, about 30 odd kilometers, and that journey at 4:30, 4:45 in the morning was awesome. ये जो गाड़ी थी वो हवा में उड़ रही थी दोस्तों. I was driving at a casual speed of 40, between 40 and 60 early in the morning, and the car was, I did not feel that I was driving the car. I thought I was just sitting in the room. So spacious, noiseless, absolute marvel. Well, the second thing was that I was already in employment with my first company, and I had applied for a position in very sorry, for a position in the RPG group as a senior management trainee. And on the Dashera day, there was a person hand delivery of my appointment letter came, and I was so pleased that wow, एक वो पहली कंपनी से जान छूटी. It was certainly like that, and I will cover that in some other videos, but that happened on the Dashera day. And then I joined my second company in the airline industry, the Kingfisher Airlines, and that was actually, it would have happened that I would have joined it on the Dashera day if I had agreed to join them for a quick meeting which was scheduled at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But I said no, my scheduled date is tomorrow, and I would like to join only from tomorrow. So that's how Dashera, it brought me a new path for me. And actually thereafter, every Dashera after I got married lost its significance, because every day became a celebration day. और जब घर में ही लक्ष्मी हो तो आपको सब लक्ष्मी हो, और घर में ही आपके इतना अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर हो, तो फिर आपको दशहरा के लिए वेट नहीं करना पड़ता है ना दोस्तों. बिकॉज जनरली वी वेट फॉर फेस्टिवल्स टू सेलिब्रेट and eat good things, meet people. But when you have a life partner, and I'm thankful to the Almighty for that, and thankful to Asha also for that. Every day is a celebration, isn't it, friends? How about you and your life partner? I'm sure you also share my thoughts as regards this thing is concerned. So I will leave you with that, and I will be back with you tomorrow with a different kind of video. It's more likely to be a PowerPoint presentation. Stay tuned till tomorrow, friends, and enjoy the celebrations. Good day.